So the Diam project is the first layer 1 quantum proof blockchain project that is currently existing, and the fascinating part of it is that they are currently running their testnet phase whatever. Okay, here on this video I want to guide you through the step-by-step guide how you can actually join the testnet process, participate, perform simple transaction, and accumulate points to actually position for their airdrop in the nearest future. And probably their TGE might be coming sometime around 2026, so we should be expecting TGE. Here on this video I'll guide you through the whole process. Just make sure you stick around to the end so you don't miss out on this part. It's a very simple one, not no much stress, but make sure you stick around to the end so you don't miss out. So let's get started with that tutorial ASAP. So for this particular project, you can decide to use your MySQL browser or any of your preferred crypto wallets. Okay, use the link I'll be giving to you. Once the site opens, click on where they say connect wallets, then you select your preferred wallet option. For me, I'll be using MetaMask since I'm having my Kiwi browser with me. Next, after connecting your wallet, you'll be asked to give your Twitter account. Just come there, give your Twitter username. Okay, my referral code will be displaying. Click on where they say I accept terms and conditions, then click on submit. After creating your account, click here on this dot, click on testnet tokens, then claim your testnet tokens. Okay, as you can see I have 50 dime. So should in case you want to claim, just come here. I think once every 24 hours to claim your test tokens. So what we just have to do now is to transfer to our friends. How to do that is simple. Come back here, click on transactions. Okay, as you can see they say send and receive, so just click on send. Insert the address you want to send to, insert the address here, then input the amount of dime you want to send, then click on send transaction. As you can see, it has been sent. To get your own address, click on this receive, then you can easily copy your own dime wallet address. You understand? If you come to this badge, as you can see, if you perform 100 transactions, I've done only one, so it is written 1. If you perform 100 transactions, you'll be getting bronze. Once you've performed up to 500, then you'll be getting this quantum badge. So I will advise you to perform up to 500 to get this one. Okay, since the transaction is very simple, then come to this referral, then come here to copy your referral link. Okay, so it's very simple. As I've seen so far, this is basically how you can easily perform the transaction, the testnet transaction, accumulate as much transactions as you can, okay, to make your wallet visible on the blockchain. Yes, you can do up to 100, 200, 300 to 500 transaction. Okay, the more your transaction, the chances of you getting visible on the blockchain, okay, and positioning yourself for the future airdrop. So make sure you do this, and good luck on the long run. And however, make sure you follow and like this video for more content like this one.